So, dear students, today we are going to learn how to prepare the cold cream. So, you know the cold cream, it is water by O emulsion, and the main principle of cold cream involves slow evaporation of water leads to cooling sensation. Because it gives cooling sensation on application, it is known as cold cream, and we use borax, beeswax to prepare the cold cream. And so let us see what are the material required to prepare cold cream. We will be using liquid paraffin, beeswax, lanolin, hard paraffin vaccine, propyl paraben. We will also use borax, DTA, and we use sodium metabisulfite or BHA, BHT, and distilled water. So we are going to use borax in this preparation in formulation of cream. So why do we use borax? We use borax because borax reacts with the fatty acids of beeswax to work as an emulsifying agent. So it stabilizes our cream. So here we are being a emulsion, we are going to prepare two systems. One is oil phase system and another is water phase system. So in case of oil phase, we are going to take liquid paraffin, beeswax, hard paraffin wax, and propyl paraben. So we are going to mix all these ingredients in this is oil phase, and in separate beaker we are going to take borax, methyl paraben, DTA, then sodium metabisulfite or BHT or BHA, and we are going to mix these ingredients in water. So we will be having two phases, water phase and oil phase, and finally we are going to mix both the phases together, and there will be continuous stirring in order to make the cream. So first of all we have to weigh the required quantity of the material. So as we discussed, so we have added here, as per the formula, we have added 5 gram of beeswax, then we added 4 gram of lanolin, and we have added 5 gram of hard paraffin. Now we are going to add 0.1% propyl paraben, and finally we are going to add the liquid paraffin, and we are going to melt them. Once the melting is started, then we are going to add propyl paraben, 0.1% propyl paraben. This is our oil phase. These are the ingredients. So these are the ingredients for oil phase. Now we are going to melt them together, and after melting we are going to add 0.1% of propyl paraben. Similarly, we are going to make the aqueous phase. We are going to prepare the material for the aqueous phase. This is our aqueous phase, water phase. In this we have added borax 0.75%, and in this we are going to add methyl paraben, sodium, EDTA, and we are going to add BHA, and then we make up the volume with distilled water. So this is your oil phase and this is the water phase. So we are going to mix them together. So first we are going to melt all the ingredients in the oil phase. This is our oil phase. This is containing high melting point material. This is aqueous phase, water phase, it contains borax. So this is low melting, this is containing liquid paraffin, so this is low melting. So we are going to melt this oily phase using this water bath. This is our oily phase. We are going to add the propyl paraben in this because it is oil soluble preservative. So this is, we have prepared the aqueous phase. This is containing borax and water. So we are going to add in this the methyl paraben and EDTA and BHA. So this is our water soluble aqueous phase. So both the phases, they are maintained at the same temperature, approximately 70 degree. The cold cream, it is water in oil emulsion. So first we are going to add oil, and then we are going to add water in oil phase. So we have to add it slowly. We need to add it slowly with continuous stirring. We have to add continuously with continuous stirring. So you have to do continuous stirring. So we need to continue, stir the preparation. We are mixing the aqueous phase and oily phase in order to make the cold cream. So stirring is going on. You can see the cream is about to form. We need to continue stir. Now our cream is ready. You can see this. You can see the texture. So this our cream is ready. Now we need to pack it in a suitable container. So this is the procedure. Today we discussed the procedure, and we learned how to prepare the cold cream. So we have prepared the cold cream today. So you can see this is the cold cream. So thank you. So this is our cold cream today, which we prepared today. So you can see this.